He was conferred He was conferred by the Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or the PICPA, with an honorary Life Member Award in recognition for his service to the institution and contributions to the advancement of the accounting profession. As for myself, at the same time that Luis ended his term as Regional Council Director, I was able to move to a better paying job, heading a team of portfolio officers in our department and eventually being promoted until the position which I held until my retirement in 2023. Indeed, serving the Lord through the BCBP was not a hindrance to success in our careers and profession. With higher position comes greater responsibility. We struggled to keep up with the demands of our work and our commitment to the BCBP, always praying that we remain true to our promise to serve Him, for He has been faithful to us all the time.
The road to heaven is narrow and difficult, while that to hell is paved with roses. To those who persevere to follow and serve Him, the Lord takes good care. But I gave up worldly things for the Lord and put my trust in Him rather than on myself. He returned it 100-fold. Succeeding jobs that the Lord gave me, but I left to PRI, were very rewarding. He allowed me to have trainings abroad, to travel to a number of countries, all at company's expense.